Hey everybody, and we are doing something real simple today, and it's Escovitch sauce. I know you've heard of Escovitch fish, but we're just going to do the sauce. Here are ingredients that we're going to be using to get this sauce done. We've got white vinegar, allspice or pimento berries, whole, not ground. You want the sugar, onion, red, yellow, green, whatever color bell peppers, as well as scotch bonnet along with the seeds, just for that little bit of kick in this sauce. If you don't want the kick, then just do not add the seeds. So in this pan, I'm going to be adding all of my ingredients except the vinegar and the sugar. And there's a reason for that. Now, I know you're thinking like, where's the oil? Why isn't there oil in the pan? Well, you know how they say oil and vinegar don't mix. It's a very true thing. And for me, I don't want to see the oil floating at the top of this sauce. It's just not visually pleasing. So I usually just do it without the oil. And I'm just going to let these go over low heat, and they're not going to burn, although you see a little bit of smoke coming up there. I'm adding a third cup of vinegar to this, and of course you can add as little or as much as you want. So with this sauce, you have the spice from the scotch bonnet peppers, you have the tang and that little bit of pop and acidity from the vinegar, and then you have the sweetness of the sugar. Again, you can add as little or as much sugar as you want, but I want you to be able to taste all of that stuff. You want to have the vinegar, the sweet, and the spicy all in one go. All right, this beautiful flavor profile. And we're just going to let this cook for about, say about 10 minutes on medium to low heat. And there you have it. There's your Escovitch sauce. Real simple, real easy. You can serve this over fish and enjoy your meal. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.